Here we have a linear system and we have to solve it using method of elimination. The question is, solve linear system and check your answer. The linear system has two linear equations. One is 2x plus y equals to 4 and the other one is 3x minus y equals to 6. Now, as you can see, let me explain you what elimination is. Let us say this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. We have two different equations and two variables in each. So, if you have two equations and two variables, you can always solve for both the variables. That's one thing. Second, you will notice that if I add equation 1 and 2, then what will happen? Think like this. Let's say we add them. Then what will happen? So if you add them, you get 2x plus 3x as 5x, and this becomes minus y plus y as 0, right? So we have 0 here. Let me write 0. And we get 10, correct? So by doing so, we eliminated y and we got x. So if you add equation 1 and 2, you could eliminate y. Do you see that? And that is why this method is called elimination. So here we try to eliminate one variable and then find the value of the other variable. So we have 5x equals to 10, 5x equals to 6 plus 4, 10. So now we can find x by dividing both sides by 5 and you get x equals to 10 divided by 5, which is equals to 2, correct? Now when you have found one variable, then you can always plug in the value and find the other variable, correct? So we'll substitute, now let's name this as equation 3 and let's substitute 3 in, let's say 1. So what we will do now is we will sub 3 in 1. So if we do that, x equals to 2, let's write 2 here. 2 times 2 plus y equals to 4. So we get 2 times 2 plus y equals to 4 and y equals to 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4 and we get equals to 0. So we get y equals to 0. So our solution is x is 2 and y is 0, correct? Now you need to check it. How will you check it? To check your solution, you need to replace x and y with this on the left hand side. So in an equation, we'll replace it on the left hand side. Left hand side is this side of the equality and that's the right hand side. So let me write here left hand side here and the right hand side here, okay? So if I write 2 for x, it becomes 2 plus 2 as 4, right? And then on 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, so it works, right? So from left hand side we have 2 times 2 plus 0 and we get this is equals to 4 and that is equals to the right hand side, is it okay? Which is 4. Second equation also you can try, 3 times 2 plus minus 0, right? Which gives you 3 times 2 is 6, which is the right hand side, is it okay? So we check that both the values x and y coordinates were perfectly fine with the equations. So both the equations intersect at 2, 0. X equals to 2 and y equals to 0. So that is our solution for the linear system given to us. I hope you understand the method, and at times it could be very simple. Like here, one step, right? We just eliminated y and got the value of x. So at times this method is very efficient. Thank you.